It got to the point where I was crying in the mirror every morning that, oh my God, how can I hide this? And how can I hide that? And, you know, my hair kept getting steadily thinner and thinner. And so this is what I still have. Hey, my name is Sandy and I wear wigs. So I want to educate you about wigs and about hair loss. So myself, I am a 47-year-old nurse. I started losing my hair about 25 years ago. It just steadily kept getting thinner and thinner and thinner. Obviously, my job is very stressful. And so I actually ended up developing alopecia areata on top of androgenic alopecia. So I kind of got a double whammy. So as I look back and I see pictures of my husband and I, our engagement pictures and things, the whole crown of my head, that's all you can see is scalp. About 9 months ago, I finally gave up the ghost and decided to shave my head. It was really difficult. You know, all my life, all I've heard is, gosh, Sandy, your hair is so beautiful. It's so soft, it's so silky, you're so lucky. I had already bought 2 wigs and they were not cheap wigs, but I wasn't wearing them. And I knew I was getting there, but I feel that I just needed that extra oomph to be able to force myself to. So one night, I asked my husband to help me. We grabbed his clippers and we shaved my head. So this is what I still have. So I know, it doesn't look like I've, lost all my hair, but as you can see, I do have my bald spots. On the crown, you can absolutely see my scalp. I have it dyed pink. My husband had suggested maybe, dyeing my hair, my stubble, something fun, so if I have to like whip my wig off, it looks like I did it on purpose, which, well, I did. Don't be afraid to be your authentic self, and don't be afraid to wear a wig, try a wig, shave your head. You do you. Whatever makes you feel the best and makes you feel comfortable. For me, I just spent too much time worrying and crying and stressing. It just makes me feel empowered. And that I took something back for me. Let me say this, there's a lot of information out there, but there's a lot of wrong information. There's a lot of scammers, so many scammers. I can't tell you how many thousands of dollars when I first started in wigs that I wasted not knowing what I actually needed. There's basic questions that you need to know, synthetics and, heat defiant, human hair, length. When you're looking at human hair, there's Brazilian, Mongolian, European. I was amazed. If you don't know what you're looking for, you're going to waste money. So there's Facebook groups and, Pinterest groups. There's even groups on Reddit to be able to talk to people and say, hey, I found this wig. Does anybody have any experience with it? And I would encourage anybody to join any of the Facebook groups. There's some really great ones. Happy to share that information. I really want to continue doing some videos. I want to answer any questions you guys have. Follow me if you'd like to see more. Take care.